We're going to talk about 3 ways to prepare for promotion. Coming up.
Stay tuned.
Welcome back to an all-new edition of the Sunday Night Sit Down with America's #1 money couple. I'm Talaat.
And I'm Tai, and we're from hisandhermoney.com, where we're managing money, marriage, and everything in between.
The Sunday Night Sit Down is being brought to you by Audible.
Love reading, but wish you had more time to get into your favorite books? What if you could use the time you already have and listen to the books you already love? Well, now you can with Audible. With Audible books, you can be inspired, entertained, and educated anywhere, anytime. Choose from the bestsellers in self-development, business, nonfiction, and more. So what are you waiting for? Your first 30 days are free. Visit hisandhermoney.com/audible to get started today. That's hisandhermoney.com/audible.
So we're going to talk about 3 ways that you all need to implement if you have any ambition for promotion. Now, promotion isn't just relegated to your particular career path. Maybe you're looking for a promotion in your marriage. You're trying to get to the next level in your finances. Or maybe you're trying to get to the next level in life in general. These principles that we're going to share with you are going to help you to be prepared for promotion in whatever area you see fit as you being elevated in.
That's right, guys. Today was a very, very, very special day for us. On today, we were actually ordained as pastors at our church, Nations Worship Assembly, and today is truly one that I will remember forever. Yeah. It was remarkable. But it also had us thinking, what do you do to prepare for promotion? So prior to today, we were actually in preparation stages, right? Yeah. For this particular day.
Unbeknownst to us.
Right, exactly. And so there were a lot of values that we were able to take away and apply to our current situation, and we know that this will be able to help you as well.
So the first thing that you need to do to prepare for promotion is to serve. That's right. You need to have a servant mentality, a servant's heart. If you are trying to get to the next level in your career, then you need to go to work every single day trying to figure out, how can I make this organization better? How can I do my part, be that piece of the puzzle that pushes the organization forward? Maybe you're trying to, again, get promoted in your marriage and you're trying to strengthen your relationship. How can I serve my spouse better today? How can I outserve them? Have a serving competition with each other, and that is going to promote you in so many different ways. In your finances, how can I be a blessing to somebody? Are there some organizations that I can sow into, some charities that I can give into? Because the Bible says that the Lord loves a cheerful giver, and anything that you do that the Lord loves is going to reap tons of benefits in the end.
That's right. The second thing that you can do to prepare for promotion is act like it. That's right, guys. Before you actually want to obtain that particular role in life, whether it be parenting, mother, career, whatever it is, you need to act like it. You know, prior to this day, I would honestly say that we definitely had pastoral hearts. Yes. And we did a lot of things behind the scenes that a lot of people did not see, nor did they know about. But we took our calling a whole lot serious before a man actually recognized it. As well. Have you ever seen those, depictions? I know I was this little girl. I would get in my mother's shoes, high heels when I was a little girl, and walk around and pretend like I was a mommy, right? I was actually acting like a mother back then, although I was not a mother, but one day I was soon going to become a mother. So those particular times prepared me for my role in motherhood. So you want to act like it, but you also want to be humble while you're also in that role.
Which ties back into point number 1 about having a servant's heart. And number 3, the third thing that you can do to prepare for promotion is to invest in education.
Yeah, so
if you are deficient in an area, or if you're trying to get to the next level in the area, maybe you should study people that are already in that position to find out what they did to get there. If you're trying to get better with your money, study people that are better with money. If you're trying to be a better husband, study people that have already done that and written and given you tools to do that thing. Whatever it is, wherever you're trying to get elevated, wherever you're trying to go to a higher place, into a new season, educate yourself on that. Don't just sit back and wait for it to happen. No, go for it by seeking out the information that is already out there. This is the information age, and I guarantee you the thing that you're trying to figure out, the problem that you're trying to solve, there are answers available. You just have to go and seek that knowledge, and you have to invest in your education, and that knowledge that you take away from what you research will help you to be positioned for that promotion.
That's right, guys. And we hope this video has helped you a lot on your way to promotion. We want to hear from you. What are some things that you're believing God for in the area of promotion?
Yes.
Do you want to be a better wife, better spouse, maybe go up in the career ladder, maybe entrepreneurship, maybe something in your church? Whatever it is, we want to know. Leave us a comment below. Also, don't forget, check us out over at our website at hisandhermoney.com and meet us back here next Sunday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, where you will see the both of us sharing with you.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to our podcast, The His and Her Money Show. You can find it on Spotify, iHeartRadio, Apple Podcasts, Google Play Music, Stitcher Radio. Wherever you need us, we are there. Go and subscribe to the His and Her Money Show today. That's all we got for this week, guys. It's been great. Till next time, peace.
Bye.